Today I'm going to share how you can earn $140 in an hour, and this is available worldwide. So what we'll go over is we'll show you exactly how to get started with this because it's completely free to sign up with. You do not need any skills or experience. It's available worldwide, as I've mentioned, and there's several different ways to earn with this website. And the website I'm going to be sharing with you, they have worked with some really big companies. As you can see on here, we have got GoDaddy, Microsoft, IBM, we've got Airbnb here behind my head, and then we've also got Dropbox, and they've worked with hundreds of these big companies, and I'll show you that in this video. Now make sure you watch this video till the end, because once I've shown you how this works and how to set this up, I'll go over some simple hacks that you can use to earn more on this website. I'll share some different website reviews on this, and I did a bit of research before the video and I actually signed up to this company so I could show you what it looks like inside the website and how to basically start earning money with this. I'll go over some little points that I've picked up and what you should be keeping an eye out for. But these numbers here, as you can see, $100 in 45 minutes, $250 in 90 minutes, and $75 in 30 minutes. These are all available right now at this moment in time in my back office, and I'll show you this, and I'll show you basically how you can start earning money with this method. So let's jump into today's video and I'll walk you through this entire process. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to another video. So in this video I've got a website to share with you which have been around for a number of years. They've worked with some of the biggest companies in the world, and the rate of pay is a hell of a lot higher than some of the different opportunities that we may have looked at in the past. So the website we're looking at today is this one here. Now it's called respondent.io, and this is the homepage, and this is where all of these big companies that we spoke about earlier, let me go and show you, these ones here, this is where all of these ones will come and they'll literally land on the homepage. So all of this information here is aimed at them. So I'll briefly show you this, but then I'll go into the bit that we're interested in, which is where we can earn the money. So you can see here, get the highest quality research participants you need for any research study. And this is what sets this website apart from some of the ones we've looked at in the past. Because they're working with big companies, and you can see on here it says get the highest quality research participants, you can earn a hell of a lot more money than any other website that we have looked at in the past, and I'll show you some of the potential with this as we go through the video. So if you scroll down here, you see find any research participant from anywhere in the world. So this website here is available worldwide. You can see you've got all these different testers on here and participants from around the world. So how it works, so this here again, this is aimed at the companies who have a project or a website or an idea, and then they're coming on here. So these companies down here, like GoDaddy, Dropship, Microsoft, Airbnb, they might have a new idea for something. It could be a new website, it could be a new page on the website, it could be a new app, it could be absolutely anything. So basically before they launch it to the market, they want to get research done on that and trial it and test it and play around with it, and that's where we come into play. So they will come over here, they will post a project, invite and schedule people to participate, that they then conduct their research, and then they pay anybody who participates in there. So this is all for the companies who are looking for researchers. So the part we want to be looking at is this here. So come here, we'll go up to the top, and when it says for respondents, we click on there and it will take you through to this page here. Get paid for participating in research. Now I signed up to this earlier, and it's a really simple process, but let me just show you this. So these are some of the numbers of how much they've paid out to respondents so far. The average interview length, so they're saying on average the tasks that you will be completing or the surveys on here will take up to 30 minutes, and then you've got $140 average hourly payment. But this is literally, it's a 4-step process. So you verify your profile, so you've got to connect either a LinkedIn or a Facebook profile to respondent, and then that can basically verify your demographic, etc. Once you've done that and you go through your profile, when you sign up, it will ask you things like what is the highest education qualification you've got. Is it high school? Is it college, university, etc. It also asks you some of your interests.
Now, when you fill in that out, make sure you fill it out honestly, because what they will do is, based upon your education, your interests, what what you like, they will match you to relevant surveys and relevant task groups, basically, of where what you've put that you're interested in. They will match it to companies who are looking for, basically either your interests or your knowledge or your background. So you complete your profile, you get matched, you then participate in some of these studies, and I like this bit here, select a time that fits your schedule, so you're not tied down to any schedules or anything like that. You simply participate. They normally give you a couple of dates of when these groups are taking place, and you participate, and then you get paid. Now you see here, respondent only collects a 5% fulfillment fee, and I'll touch on that in a bit and show you this. And then if you scroll down the page here, you can see you can also earn money by referring friends to this. So to get started, you click on sign up. Let me just click on here. Now you see here, these are the two options. You sign up with Facebook or LinkedIn. And then once you've done that and you go through the sign up process, you can then get access to the back office. So let me quickly log in. Click on participate to log in. And once this logs in, I'll just show you how the back office looks. So you see that here, this is the back office. So you fill in a profile and then you come in here. And once you're in the back office, you've got browse projects, my surveys, messages, and my referrals. So these are basically your 4 tabs. Now you can see at this moment in time, there's these opportunities here. So we've got this one here, $50 for 60 minutes, $100 for 20 minutes, $100 for 20 minutes. And it tells you exactly what it is, where they're based, what they're looking for. So this one here, what is this? Let's have a look at this. A large tech company based in Silicon Valley. We're interested in managers, employees with direct reports at large companies to complete a 15 to 20 minute online survey about the use of technology. Very simple stuff to do in there. You can see this is how much you will earn. $100. This is how long it will take you. It will take you 20 minutes. And then any fees on here, so how much money you can expect to earn this $100 here, you'll see it's subject to a 5% fee, a service fee on here, and I'll go through and I'll show you that in a minute. So let me come out of this and go back into projects. So if you go into there and you view the projects, if you want to view more, you click on load more and it'll show you some more. So what's this one here? Do you handle your business's tax? If you do, you can earn $100 in 45 minutes. Click load more, scroll down the page here, you've got $250 in 90 minutes and you've got $30 in 20 minutes. And you can just keep going through and loading more and having a look at this. So we've got healthcare here. This is $75 in 45 minutes. So that is basically how you find these different opportunities in your back office. You can come through here and you just literally keep clicking on load more and it will bring these up. It will tell you what you need to do and how much you're going to expect to get paid. Once you've completed a survey or participated in a group, obviously you get paid. Now you get paid via PayPal, less the fee. Now let me talk to you about the fees. I'll show you this over here. So this here is on the frequently asked questions page. Now you see here, respondents are paid the cash incentive amount advertised by the researcher, less of 5%. Or $1 fulfillment fee, which is higher. So it gives you an example here. So if the cash incentive is $150, you would actually earn $142 via PayPal. And the 5% fulfillment fee is broken up into basically 2 parts. So you've got a payment processing fee, which is 2.75, and then you've also got a service fee. So any money that you can expect to earn, it will be less 5%, and then you get paid via PayPal. Now in terms of the PayPal, once you request payments, when I was doing some research, you can expect to get paid anywhere between 3 working days and 5 working days. So this is basically how it looks in the back office. You can just keep scrolling through and you just keep on clicking load more and it will show you more which are relevant to you. Now all of these what have popped up here, these will be relevant to what I typed in at the beginning. So what is my expertise, what is my background, my knowledge, work history, etc, etc. So on this, you don't sign up and get emails or anything like that. You actually have to come to the website and be checking this basically every single day, and then you can go through and apply to these different opportunities that are on here. So I'll drop links to all of these pages here for you. Now this morning or yesterday morning, I went and did some research and I found a couple of different articles, and I've got this one here. So this is over on this website here. I'll drop a link to this below for you. Is respondent worth it? As long as you have the right expectations. Look, this website is going to be like anything. You're not going to earn a full-time income from doing this. However, you can earn some decent money from logging in daily and having logs. So this is some hacks on here for you. So sign up, complete your profile, and keep an eye out for any emails from respondent. It says on here they'll alert you to any studies that you're likely to be a good match for. Now you can sign up and do an email, but I don't recommend you wait for an email. I would say log into the website and have a look for yourself, because you'll find them on there. The next one is don't waste time applying for a study unless you're confident that you'll be 100% match. So let's go and look at this. So let me just get rid of this. So on here, if I was to go and maybe apply for one of these studies on here, but I had no knowledge or relevancy about using technology in the workplace, it's very likely I wouldn't get accepted onto this study here. So let's go back over here. So it's saying basically apply what you're confident that you will A, be knowledgeable about, and B, you can take part in that research study properly and give good feedback. We've then got on here, whenever you see a study you're a good match for, apply fast, and then consider applying for in-person studies as well. Okay, fine. So that there is just giving you 4 different hacks. So basically, the first part is be diligent, sign up, complete your profile properly. Second time is apply for studies which you think or that you'll be matched to and you have knowledge about and you're experienced in this. Basically, just make sure that you're a good match for any of these different studies on here. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. There's lots of information on here. It goes so overall this website here, they give them a 4-star out of 5-star rating. Also, what I would say is on here, go and have a look at some of the notes on Reddit, because someone had put some things on there, because we're going to share the good and the bad about this company here. It says on here they've got slow customer support, so that's something worthwhile noting. If you have an issue or anything like that, it does say that they have a slow customer support. But what I did notice is if you go over onto the actual page, scroll down to the bottom, they've got links on to LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook, and when I was researching this, it said you do actually get responses quicker if you go over onto these different profiles. So you can go and do that. So that is this website here. The other website I found a review on was this one here. This is fullhometimebusiness.com, and again I'll drop a link to this. Feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. So do you see here? First of all, there is no minimum cash out. That's another thing to note on here. There is no minimum cash out. So once you've gone ahead, you've completed a task, you will earn the money less the 5% fee. And I'll drop links to this here as well. You can go ahead and have a look at this website here. They've also got a video on here. So this is a full respondent, is it a scam research video? So you can go ahead and check this out. So that is today's video. The website is called respondent.io. Really simple, really easy, available worldwide, absolutely free to get signed up with, and you can earn some, as you saw here, you can earn some pretty decent money. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. And as always, if you like really simple, really easy ways to earn online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel, hit notifications, and I'll always update you whenever I've uploaded a new video. So thanks again. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.